What does it take to be a business analyst? Well, it's a bit like a recipe. Let me explain while I mix you a drink. The base of a business analyst starts with great communication skills. And then we throw in some good relationship building skills. And we'll add some notes of empathy. And depending on how bad your day's going, maybe a little bit more empathy. Throw in some huge chunks of problem-solving skills. And then liberally pour in tools, methodology, and techniques. Add the garnish, I've got a nice drink. Now if you're thinking this cocktail looks great, this is the Elicitation Cocktail. And we have a mocktail version as well, for when you're on working hours.